Hello everyone, my name is Leilani Lopez and this is my usability testing assessment for IMED 2359. For this project, I selected Adobe.com as the website to evaluate. Adobe is the leading provider of creative software products such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, and Acrobat. The purpose of this usability test is to determine how easily users can navigate the website, locate products, compare subscription plans, access learning resources, and final customer support information. Throughout this test, I will complete several common user tasks while sharing my observations, reactions, and overall experience with the websites. The objectives of this usability test are, first, to determine whether users can easily navigate the Adobe website and locate specific products. Second is to evaluate how effectively users can compare subscription plans and understand pricing information. Third is to assess how easily users can locate tutorials, support resources, and student discount. To measure success, I will evaluate task completion rate, time on task, error frequency, navigation efficiency, and overall user satisfaction. The target audience. Adobe serves a wide variety of users including students, educators, graphic designers, photographers, video editors, content creators, and business professionals. The website must support users with different levels of technical experience, ranging from beginners who are exploring Adobe products for the first time to advanced professionals who use Adobe software daily. For this test, I will consider the perspective of both a first-time users and students searching for affordable creative software. A task overview is the task I will perform includes finding Adobe Photoshop, comparing Creative Cloud's subscription plans, locating a free trial for Adobe Illustrator, finding Adobe customer support resources, locating Photoshop tutorials, and finding student discount information. Okay. This task represents common actions that users are likely to perform when visiting Adobe.com. My first task is to locate Adobe Photoshop. Right now, I'm on my page on my Adobe.com. I will locate the Photoshop from the home page. Right there, right here. As I look at the home page, I immediately notice the navigation menu at the top of the page. The layout appears clean and professional. I can see product, categories, and promotional content. The Photoshop page is relatively easy to locate through the navigation menu. This task feels intuitive and would likely be completed successfully by most users. The second task is compare subscription plan. I will compare Adobe subscription plan. I am looking for the Creative Cloud's All Apps plan. And photography plan. The pricing information is available, but there is a large amount of promotional content on the page. While the information is detailed, first-time user may find it somewhat overwhelming because there are multiple options and pricing structures displayed simultaneously. The comparison process requires some additional reading before a decision can be made. Next task, locate Illustrator free trial. I actually have the subscription, so I already used the free trial. I just need to download it, but I already downloaded this app. To message chatbot, the Adobe Virtual Assistant. And call to action button are highly visible, clearly labeled. Purchase or cancel by phone. My next task is to locate customer support, resources. I am searching for a help center support. While support resources are available, they require a few additional clicks to locate compared to product page. Product pages. A first-time user may need extra time to find appropriate support options. However, once found, the support content appears comprehensive and organized. Task. Locate tutorial. For this task, I will locate Photoshop tutorial learning. Okay. The learning resources. Adobe provides a large collection of tutorials and educational materials. The learning resources are easy to find and organized by skill level. This is a strong feature of the website because it supports both beginners and advanced users. My next task is to find discount, the student discount. My final task. Student discount. This is the student discount information. The student discount page is accessible through the pricing and Creative Clouds section. This information is clearly represented and highlights educational savings. This task can be completed successfully, although some users may need to browse through multiple pricing pages before finding the specific educational offer. And that's it. Go back to my slides. Results and findings. After completing all tasks, I observed several strengths and weaknesses. The website's strengths include its professional design, the strong search functionality, organized product pages, and extensive learning resources. The website also performs well in helping users discover products and download free trials. However, I identified several usability concerns. Subscriptions pricing pages contain a significant amount of information, which can create confusion for new users. The navigation menu includes many options that may feel overwhelming for beginners. Additionally, customer support resources are not as visible as product information and may require additional navigation. My recommendation based on my findings, I recommend several improvements. First is to simplify subscription plan, comparison pages to make pricing easier to understand. Second is to reduce information overload by improving content organization and spacing. Third is to make support resources more visible from the homepage. Finally, continue improving navigation for first-time users by simplifying menu structures where possible. The final reflection. Overall, Adobe.com provides a professional, visually appealing, and highly functional user experience. The website successfully supports product discovery, software downloads, tutorials, and learning resources. Although there are opportunities to improve pricing clarity and navigation simplicity, the overall experience is positive. This usability test demonstrated the importance of user-centered design and highlighted how navigation, organization, and accessibility affects user satisfaction. Thank you for watching my Adobe website usability test assessment.